So today I will try a new smoothie just from stuff I have around the house. I'm going to start off with 1 cup of strawberries and add to that 1 cup of pineapples, maybe another chunk or 2 of pineapples, okay. And my secret ingredient will be Kellogg's Raisin Bran. Okay, I haven't tried this before, so this will probably come out to be something like a little paste. So I'll probably have to add either some milk or water to it. So let me just start with this. Looks like they did have 2 scoops of raisin for a change. Okay. Okay, so I'll start with this. And it's kind of dry already. Put a little bit of orange juice in there just to put some moisture. And a little bit of ice because it's cold. I mean, it's not cold. Okay, now let's see if I can make this without it becoming a paste. And if it does, I'll just add more liquid. Possibly almond milk or something. But let's see how this goes. Not bad. I got tastes of Wheaties and raisins. And of course the strawberries and the pineapples. Every flavor is here. Actually, this is not bad at all. It's actually good.